Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I am a mom of two little girls that seem to keep getting sick over and over again. So I got these drops from Dr. Rydland, and these are meant to help with respiratory and cough. And I wanted to make a video after using this for a very long time, but as you can see, the bottle is not completely gone, but I already see the results. So this really does work. My children's cough has gotten a lot better. And one of the best parts is that it tastes good. My children do not fight me on this one. They are ready to take it. They taste kind of sweet like molasses. And the best part is that it's already formulated for kids. So no math work for you. And you can take them yourself. You just go by the weight chart on the back. It's safe for children 1 month all the way up to adults. And they have a lot of other good formulas. I'm probably going to be trying this eardrop one next. And I just love the ingredients. It is stuff that you find in nature, and it is put into a dropper so that you can get quick, easy access to it. So if you have been looking for something to help with respiratory and cough symptoms, I am really happy with this. But that's just my point of view.